Kunasatana, how are you? Mary Allen here. Agus Tome Arash in the Irish Cultural Centre. I'm back here at the Irish Cultural Centre. Is Scríb Normisha. I'm a writer, so I've been here writing. But I've also got really good news that I'm doing another event here on the 21st of December for Winter Solstice. So I'm here in Hammersmith at the Irish Cultural Centre because I'm going to be having my workshop here, and it's really going to lean into our inner feminine authority at a time of the year at Christmas when it can be very, very busy and there's a lot of rushing around and a lot of buying and a lot of stress. And this is a chance for you to take some time, take 90 minutes and sit and listen to some nice scéalta, some nice stories, and tune in to what's in your own heart, in your own cree, at a time when everyone's rushing around. And although we are rich in many ways in today's world, we're often feeling quite spiritually poor. Tosulagam, I hope that you can come, we can come Lakela together here at the Irish Cultural Centre to celebrate on Funad Grania, which is the setting of the sun. And it is the shortest day of the year, the longest night will be scéalta stories, mythology, the Irish mythology from a female perspective. We will be celebrating with the Cailleach, which is an amazing Irish goddess who is the goddess of the winter. And she's not just a hag with old stories, she also is allowing us to understand ourselves better and to lean into agelessness and to regenerate in these winter months. So I really hope you can join me.